Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you how the way you can get a dark shadow for your picture to make it look perfect on Picsart application. First, you just need to open the Picsart application on your phone, and then you just need to go tap into this plus button over here, and then you just need to find the picture that you want to edit right here. I would like to use this one, and then you just need to go click into these tools and then go tap into this adjust. And the next, if you want to get a dark shadows, you just need to go take a look on the shadows area, and then you just need to tap on it and then drag this point into the left side to add more shadows. You can see the difference later on. So you can see that whenever I drag it into the left side, the black color or the shadow, it could be more intense. See? So you just need to adjust what level that you want to achieve right here. And now you just need to go click into the contrast right here, and then you just need to drag it into the right side just to make the shadows looks like more real. And right after you're done, you just need to go tap apply and save this into your photo library, and you're done. So that's the way how you can get a dark shadows only with a Picsart application for a better photo. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.